Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change the color of a layer in Photoshop. So, let's get started. First things first. Open the Photoshop app. Once it is opened, click on Create New. Then click on Background Contents. Then set Transparent. Then click on Create. Then in Layers tab, click and drag to this to create a copy. It will create a copy. Then click on this bottom left color button. Then set it to any color you want. Then click on OK. Then right click on this tool. Then select Paint Bucket tool. Then click on the main page. As you can see, that color is changed. And that's how you change the color of a layer in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.